Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amisha from Bharat Homeopathy. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss the top 5 reasons that lead to the development of alcoholic liver disease. After a long, stressful day at work, relaxing with a glass of whiskey or a can of beer can feel enjoyable. Alcohol is not only a common choice for unwinding, however, are you aware of how much impact alcohol consumption can have on our liver? Well, going by the stats, alcohol related liver disease ALD is a serious but preventable problem caused by drinking too much alcohol. It accounts for 5.1% of the global disease burden, primarily affecting individuals in the productive age group 15 to 44 years. We at Bharat Homeopathy, with a mission to spread awareness against preventable, life-threatening conditions, are back with our new video in which we are going to cover the top 5 reasons for alcoholic liver disease. Chronic consumption of alcohol. Immoderate alcohol consumption can lead to a serious condition called alcohol-related liver disease, which can be life-threatening. ALD develops when excessive alcohol intake overwhelms the liver's ability to metabolize it, leading to progressive liver damage. The first stage of ALD is fatty liver, where too much fat builds up in the liver cells, causing them to not work properly. This can happen even after a short time of heavy drinking and is often asymptomatic in the early stages. If a fatty liver progresses, a person may develop alcohol hepatitis, which is when the liver tissues become inflamed. This condition causes swelling and can kill liver cells, leading to symptoms like yellowing of the skin, jaundice, stomach pain, and swelling in the abdomen. If not treated quickly, alcoholic hepatitis can become very serious and even life-threatening. The worst form of ALD is cirrhosis, which occurs after a long-term heavy drinking. In cirrhosis, the liver gets badly scarred and can't work well. This damage affects important liver functions like cleaning harmful substances from the body and making essential proteins. This damage affects important liver functions like cleaning harmful substances from the body and making essential proteins. Being overweight can significantly increase your likelihood of developing alcoholic liver disease due to fat accumulation in the liver, which affects the well-being of the organ in various ways, like fat buildup. Fat cells in the liver secrete acids that can damage healthy liver cells, resulting in scarring. Oxidative stress. Both obesity and chronic alcohol consumption can cause oxidative stress in the organ cells, which is a contributing factor in the development of ALD. Hepatic insulin sensitivity. Obesity can result in steatohepatitis, a condition that can further contribute to alcoholic liver disease. Alcohol solubility. Alcohol is soluble in fat, making adipose tissue a primary target for its effect. Having pre-existing liver diseases such as fatty liver, hepatitis C, or liver infection increases the risk of developing alcoholic liver disease, ALD. If you have a liver condition, you should consider stopping drinking alcohol or reducing your alcohol intake. The combination of additional liver disease and alcohol has a multiplicative effect on liver damage. Alcohol and these conditions damage the liver through different mechanisms, including oxidative injury, iron accumulation, and inflammation. Genetics. Some individuals are genetically predisposed to ALD due to variation in specific genes, particularly those involved in alcohol metabolism. These variations can influence how the liver processes alcohol, leading to a greater susceptibility to liver damage when large amounts of alcohol are consumed. Key genes linked with this predisposition include alcohol dehydrogenase. This enzyme is accountable for metabolizing alcohol from our body. Consequently, any variants in the ADH genes can impact the efficiency of alcohol metabolism, increasing the risk of liver damage. Aldehyde dehydrogenase, ALDH, further metabolizes alcohol by breaking down acetaldehyde, a toxic byproduct. The ALDH2 variant is particularly influential in determining alcohol consumption level. FAF2, PNPLA3 and HSD17B13. These genes are associated with the risk of cirrhosis and interact with lipids, which may help explain how alcohol contribute to liver damage. Malnutrition. Poor nutrition can contribute to alcoholic liver disease, ALD, and malnutrition is a common complication of ALD. Malnutrition can worsen liver disease and is associated with poor outcomes. This occurs due to several factors, including impaired nutrient absorption and the direct toxic effects of alcoholic beverages on the liver and gut. Early homeopathic treatment is the key to achieving relief. If you are susceptible to alcohol-related liver issues, seeking a homeopathic cure as early as possible can help you control the progression of the condition while providing symptomatic relief. In fact, patients can even achieve a complete recovery in the initial phases of the condition. Homeopathy offers a viable substitute for traditional alcohol-related liver disease treatment techniques as a comprehensive approach to healing. By encouraging in the body's healing processes, homeopathic treatment seeks to restore the liver's functioning. Many patients have reported significant improvements in general health and functioning after receiving homeopathic treatments. With Bharat Homeopathy, you can get a complete solution for your alcohol-related liver issue. Our strategies seek to address the underlying cause of the disease and promote well-being. Our treatment involves personalized homeopathic remedies for liver cirrhosis tailored to each individual's symptoms and needs. Contact us today to learn more about our treatment plans. Thank you. Have a nice day.